Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all a day to night makeup look. That is, I'm going to start with the day makeup and then continue with the nighttime makeup. Let's get started. First of all, I'm going to use a gel cream all over her face. It's an essential step and it hydrates your skin throughout the day, so it's must. Followed by setting spray. Let it soak in and then apply your hydrating foundation. Not too heavy on your skin. And then I'm going to take a concealer, or even you can take a olive tone foundation, apply on the dark patches of your under eye area, mouth area, and then set it with a loose translucent powder. Next I'm going to take this beautiful matte eyeshadow from Makeup Geek Cosmetics. It's having a tone of lilac and muted brown, so helps to define the crease area very nicely, followed by a taupe eyeshadow that I'm going to apply on the lids below the crease. Next I'm going to take this vibrant pink eyeshadow and apply onto the outer V area of the lids. Remove the powder and then I'm going to take this black matte eyeshadow and just define the outer corner of the lower lash line. Very diffuse look it creates. Of course, apply mascara. Focus on the lower lashes properly as well. Then contour your face. Apply some matte pink blush or a mauve blush and define your brows. And then you can use such muted pink shade on your lips, and this is the final look for the daytime makeup. It's very subtle and goes with corporate looks as well. Then it's time for nighttime makeup. I'm going to continue with it. First I'm going to apply the translucent powder all over her face. It helps to control the oil secretion and all that oiliness on the skin. And then I'm going to apply the blush mixed with the bronzer and highlighter on the bridge of her nose. Next I'm going to take this beautiful plum eyeshadow, just layer it on top of that taupe eyeshadow I applied before, and for the fallouts use a little bit of concealer followed by vibrant pink or fuchsia lipstick, and that's pretty much it. I hope you all liked this full day to night makeup look. If you liked it, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel.